Hi, this is Wendy from Cyprus, Taiwan. So we are here to introduce a new solution of the HDBaseT VS3000 and the VA6000 for USB extension here. So as you can see that we're doing a turnkey solution means that we give a middle room, presentation room have a total solution including the HDBaseT transmission and to the scaler and the layout manipulating here. So this is a whole package solution fit for any meeting room or the education halls here. You don't have to do it to plug in and plug out all the input and output. You just put it into one. With the latest solution, we have uncompressed signal over here. So if you want to get more information, you could visit our website at en.cyprus.com.tw for more information. Thank you.